Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. The word we're exploring is attention. This is an A2 level exclamation that's used to get someone's focus. Simple yet powerful, right? Imagine you're in a crowded room and you need everyone to stop what they're doing and look your way. You might shout, "Attention." It's a word that commands focus and lets people know something important is happening. In everyday life, you might hear it during announcements or in classrooms. It's straightforward, but it gets the job done. If you're looking for synonyms, you could use words or phrases like focus or listen up. For example, instead of saying, "Attention, everyone, please gather around," you might say, "Listen up, everyone, please gather around." Both express the same idea, but with a slightly different tone. For antonyms, consider words like distraction or neglect. While attention draws focus, distraction pulls it away. For example, instead of paying attention during the meeting, he was lost in a distraction. This shows the contrasting meanings quite clearly. Let's look at how attention fits into everyday conversations. A teacher might say, "Attention, class. Today we're starting a new topic." In a workplace setting, you could hear, "Attention, team. We have an update on the project." Or at an event, someone might say, "May I have your attention, please?" Here are a few more examples of attention in action. "Attention all passengers. The train is now boarding at platform 3. Attention shoppers. We're having a special sale on all electronics today." Attention everyone. There's been a change to the schedule. To sum it all up, today we learned that attention is a way to get someone's focus. We explored its synonyms such as focus or listen up and antonyms like distraction or neglect. We also looked at examples of how you can use it in daily conversations. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and I'd love to hear from you. Why not create your own sentence using attention and share it in the comments? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, take care and keep learning.